Welcome! Today I will tell you about how to sell NFTs. Here are the main topics we will talk about in the video. Number 1. Minting the knuckles. Number 2. Pick up the marketplace. Number 3. Sale up. Number 4. The pricings. Let's get started. Selling the NFTs involves learning about the most wanted and profitable NFTs or creating personalized ones. By using the right marketplace, the selling can provide you with the dream profits. NFTs for sale? Before you begin, you must first determine what NFTs you can sell. Yes, you heard that right. The digitized world, without a doubt, is the most diversified ever. So, there are essentially two forms of NFTs that can be sold. A. Original creations. Basically, it's what you can create yourself. So, whether it's an art or a fantastic piece of literature, simply mint it to sell it. Don't worry, you'll have the hang of minting in a while. B. The purchased ones. Stuff in this category can be easily swapped away with the ones you have on your current wish lists. Isn't it cool? Well, this category does not demand minting. It's easier and simpler. Number 1. Mint your knuckles. For personal creations, you need to mint it up. To put it another way, you must have a digital ownership verification certificate. Don't worry, it's simple to obtain. All it needs is a few clicks. If you want to do it perfectly, follow my steps and use Web3. You can easily find the app and install it. With the next click, upload your self-created NFT file there. Yup, you're nearly there. Look for the option to convert it into mint-nft.js file. By adding in the coding details, you'll be free to go. It is basically a process that converts a file into a live sellable NFT. If you want a more detailed insight, do comment below. Number 2. Pick up the marketplace. Selling NFTs basically needs a small amount of effort to get a large amount of revenue. The first step in this is to select the appropriate market. If you're a newcomer searching for a good one, I recommend OpenSea, which is the Amazon of the digital world, in my opinion. Number 3. Sale up. Once you have minted up the NFT, there come the most interesting steps. The marketplace will provide you with the option of selling. By clicking on that, the web page will appear where you can fill up the basic details about your NFT. Number 4. The pricings. After entering your basic information, you'll be directed to a page where you may set the pricing of your NFT. You can also choose the currency in which the buyer will pay. You would be aware of the marketplace's fee at this point. Yes, unfortunately, it isn't free. The cost is commonly referred to as gas fee. Talking about the gas fee, it's more like the service fee. It's the money paid in advance for using the platform for selling NFTs and earning the bonus. Here's a pro tip. If you don't want to pay the gas fee in advance, choose OpenSea. It has an option called as the lazy mint option. You can mint your NFT and wait till it gets sold. The gas fee will be implemented only once you've sold your knuckle. A profitable selling demands proper working and proper knowledge of each of the steps, from choosing what and where to sell all the way to pricing and list management. I hope the video eased it for you. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and press the bell notification.